Welcome to the Business War Room podcast. I want to start off by saying, stop second guessing the choices you make that's going to help you in becoming your highest version. The moment you choose yourself and invest your energy in something that's going to bring you closer to your vision, all the doubt that you absorbed from others will make you second guess everything. When you were growing up, every time you were criticized, made fun of, or talked down upon, it leaves a huge impact on you. Sometimes it may show up as self-doubt or feeling guilty for doing what's best for you. But you have to allow yourself to step into your highest version. It's time you stop holding yourself back. Unlearn what you absorbed. Turn your self-doubt into self-confidence. It's time to shine. Come join us at the Business War Room podcast.